What if the vacuum you trust is secretly making cleaning harder instead of easier? Today, we're diving into the real battle between cordless and corded vacuums to uncover which one actually delivers better home comfort in real life. Some of these results might surprise you, so stay tuned until the end, and if you find your perfect pick, all links are waiting in the description below. Now let's move to the next. At number 5, we have the KARDV Cordless. Most people don't realize how much daily frustration comes from dragging a cord around the house until they finally stop doing it, and that's exactly where the KARDV Cordless changes the experience. Instead of constantly stopping to unplug, switch outlets, or untangle cables, cleaning suddenly feels fluid and unrestricted, especially in tight spaces, stairs, and quick daily messes. Its lightweight design makes movement effortless, and it becomes especially practical for busy families, pet owners, and apartment living where fast cleanups matter more than full deep cleans. Suction is strong enough for everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair, making routine maintenance simple and quick. Though it is still limited by battery runtime compared to corded models that run endlessly. Still, compared to many entry-level cordless vacuums, it feels more comfortable, more agile, and more natural in daily use, turning cleaning from something people postpone into something that gets done instantly before it even feels like a task. Coming up next at number 4 is the Migusky 650 watt. The biggest frustration with traditional vacuums is how quickly momentum disappears once you start dealing with cords. And the Migusky 650 watt directly removes that barrier to create a smoother, more continuous cleaning experience. Instead of stopping to find outlets or dragging cables through rooms, movement feels free and uninterrupted. And that alone changes how fast cleaning gets done in real homes. Its 650 watt motor delivers strong suction across carpets, hard floors, pet hair, and hidden corners, making it capable enough for everyday household messes while still maintaining lightweight comfort that reduces fatigue during longer sessions. Of course, like all cordless models, battery life is the main trade-off compared to corded vacuums that run without limits. But for most households, the freedom outweighs that restriction. Overall, it strikes a practical balance between mobility and performance, making cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a quick reset of your living space. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Vacusion Cordless. Most people don't realize how much their cleaning habits are shaped by small frustrations until those frustrations disappear. And the Vacusion Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner does exactly that by removing cords, interruptions, and unnecessary effort from the process. Instead of planning cleaning sessions around outlets and cable reach, it allows you to react instantly to everyday messes like crumbs, pet hair, and dust without breaking your flow. Its lightweight design glides easily across both carpets and hard floors, making quick cleanups feel almost automatic, especially for families, pet owners, and apartment dwellers who value convenience over complexity. Suction remains solid for routine cleaning, while battery life and simple storage make it easy to use daily without hesitation, even though larger homes may still benefit from corded models for extended deep cleaning. Before we move ahead, if you're checking prices or want to compare today's best deals, you'll find all the links in the description below. Ultimately, what makes this vacuum stand out is not just performance, but how effortlessly it blends into real life and removes the mental friction of keeping a home clean. Breaking into the top 2 Bissell PowerClean that takes the number 2 position, many vacuum users only realize the truth after switching models that convenience means little if performance drops when the mess gets serious. And the Bissell PowerClean addresses that exact problem with a more balanced approach. It handles everyday challenges like pet hair, crumbs, and dust along baseboards with consistent suction that doesn't fade quickly, creating a more reliable and predictable cleaning experience. The lightweight build and smooth maneuverability make it easy to move through rooms and tight spaces, while the corded design ensures steady power for longer cleaning sessions without worrying about battery limits. Although the cord can slightly restrict movement in larger homes, that trade-off is often worth it for users who prioritize consistent cleaning strength over full mobility. Compared to weaker cordless alternatives, it feels more stable, more dependable, and more suited for households that need real cleaning power every time they use it. Instead of just cleaning floors, it restores that fresh, comfortable feeling of a properly maintained home. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Shark PowerDetect. Most vacuum problems don't come from lack of effort. They come from interruptions like cords getting in the way or batteries dying mid-clean. And the Shark PowerDetect is designed specifically to eliminate those frustrations while delivering smarter performance. It blends cordless convenience with intelligent PowerDetect technology that automatically adjusts suction based on floor type and dirt levels, allowing it to move seamlessly from carpets to hard floors without losing cleaning efficiency. This creates a smooth, uninterrupted experience where you don't have to constantly adjust settings or stop to compensate for changing mess levels, making cleaning feel faster and more natural. Its lightweight design improves usability on stairs and tight spaces, while battery life remains solid for most household needs, though larger homes may still require a recharge. It focuses more on practical, everyday cleaning performance rather than just design or branding, making it feel more complete for real-world use. In the end, it doesn't just clean your home, it simplifies the entire process of keeping it clean. The winner of this comparison is the Shark PowerDetect, and the reason is simple: it delivers the most complete balance of intelligence, performance, and real-world usability in everyday home cleaning. Backed by Shark's strong reputation for reliability and customer support, it stands out with its PowerDetect system that intelligently adjusts suction for different floor types and dirt levels, ensuring consistent performance whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or pet hair. While wattage numbers can be misleading, true cleaning power comes from engineering, airflow, and adaptability, and this is where it clearly outperforms many competitors. It feels built not just for cleaning floors, but for removing the friction and frustration from the entire cleaning experience, making it the safest long-term investment and best overall value. So that's our breakdown of cordless versus corded vacuums, which is better for home comfort. All product links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews. Because at the end of the day, the best vacuum isn't the most powerful one, it's the one that quietly makes your home feel effortlessly clean.